Okay, we are back for part 3 of the headliner removal and getting the new headliner on. This is the putting the cloth on. So what I bought was Body Shop headliner and carpet adhesive from AutoZone. And what we're going to do, as seen in many other videos, that's why I'm just going to make a quick video because there's a lot of other videos on YouTube about this, so why make, number 150th. Basically we're just gonna spray this way, overlapping each line of spray, and then we're gonna wait 5 minutes after we do this whole half, and we're also gonna spray the fabric. Oh, I got this fabric at Joann's, by the way, at a 50% off coupon, and came out to like 20 bucks or something. Good deal. So we're also going to spray the fabric in the same direction, and then we're going to wait 5 minutes on that, and then the next we're going to spray this direction, opposite direction, and then do the fabric as well. Wait another 5 minutes, and then we're just gonna move the fabric onto the headliner board, and easier said than done, but like that. Smooth out all the creases like that, and then after that's done, I'll flip this side over, and do the same thing in this direction, and then that direction after 5 minutes, and then this cloth, same thing, and then wait 5 minutes, and then move it on over. Be sure to do it on a really calm day. If it's breezy, it'll make it really tough. Alright. That's what it looks like right now. Let you know how it comes out. Alright, thanks for watching.